welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a quick review on the Black Ops exhaust system on a VE Commodore. As you can see, it's a 6 litre VE. We went for the 1 7/8 headers, which are just down here. So that's what it looks like from the top of the motor. And but what I want to do is start it up for you and give you an idea of what it sounds like in the car and at the back. To me, it's quite loud. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit less loud than it is. It sounds really good. It's a nice deep sound, but for me it's a little bit loud. So hopefully you guys can hear that now. So this is give you an idea of sound. It's got a nice little burble, and it's got a rough idle, but that's because we also put a cam in it and OTR. I'll leave the specs in the description. They're nice, they're big, they need a clean, but they're embossed with that on top. It gives you an idea of what it sounds like. We'll go around to the front of the car and you can hear it, because you do get a little bit of more valve train noise, it seems, with the headers. Not really, nothing too major. There's the OTR. Yeah. So yeah, it's also got a cam, VCM. What is it? Can't remember. Anyway, I'll put the specs in the description. Nice lumpy idle. The guys at MPW did most of the work, and then the guys at SR Performance also put some new trunnions in there for a bit of extra reliability. So yeah, it sounds good. And if you don't mind it, louder. I mean, it's not crazy loud. It's definitely not like straight through pipes or anything. And it's also going to be a bit louder because it's got a cam in it, so there's more duration on that exhaust valve opening, which means you get a little bit more noise coming out the back. Yeah, anyway, hope that helps. See you in the next one.